Hey, Dr. Heather here, and in this video, I'm going to talk about neck pain and how I use regenerative techniques to relieve pain and restore function to the cervical spine. But first, let me ask you a question. Do you or someone you love suffer from neck pain? Has your neck pain caused you to lose sleep or caused headaches or kept you from activities you enjoy? Have you tried steroid injections or other treatments without long-term relief? What if there was a way to relieve your neck pain without surgery for an extended period of time, like 1 to 5 years, and in doing so, actually improve and heal the tissues in your neck rather than just covering up the pain? Wouldn't that be incredible? Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah came to me with right-sided neck pain and headaches, which had been present as long as she could remember. She would wake up every day with a right-sided headache, and her neck felt stiff and painful with big knots in her trapezius. She had tried all of the known traditional therapies, but nothing seemed to provide any lasting relief, and none of the treatments she tried helped her headaches. When I examined Sarah, I found her to have ligament laxity and tenderness all along her cervical spine, and her neck had lost its normal C-shaped curvature. I went through her MRI, and we decided on a PRP treatment for her neck. That's platelet-rich plasma, where we take your own blood and spin it down and isolate the healing factors in the platelets. Let me show you what I did for Sarah. The cervical spine is a complicated structure that is held in proper alignment with ligaments and fascia, joints, and a lot of muscle. We also have discs that are in between the vertebrae. You can see them here. Sometimes the discs become displaced, but research has shown us that while discs out of place can be the cause of neck pain, over 80% of the time, the out-of-place disc is not the main pain generator, especially when the pain stays in the neck and does not go down the arm. Multiple research papers have shown that the ligaments and supportive structures in the neck are often the main pain generators. These ligaments can be injured in whiplash or other sports injuries, and they can also be stretched out from years of poor posture and computer work. Often, there's a combination of factors which led up to the neck pain. These ligaments in particular, these ones here that I'm showing you, have a very limited blood supply, which makes it harder to heal them when they get injured. Since all healing requires oxygenated blood, blood flow to structures for them to heal is really important. But there are a lot of little nerve endings in these ligaments which can cause quite a bit of pain. The specific pain coming from ligaments has its own name. It is called enthesopathy. As you see here, what lies over the ligaments are tendon and muscle, and when the ligaments fail to keep the neck stable and in correct alignment, the muscles are called into duty to help stabilize. This often presents as muscle spasm and tightness, which can lead to a buildup of lactic acid and add to the pain problem. By injecting a regenerative substance, I usually use platelet-rich plasma or a stem cell autologous biologic in all of these specific structures that I'm showing you here, the ligaments, the muscles and tendons, all through the layers. What I have found is that our best results come from treating the cervical spine as a region, the whole region, not just one level or one structure. So I did the PRP procedure on Sarah's neck using this very equipment, and within 2 weeks, the headaches were less severe. And at 6 weeks, her headaches, which had been present since she was a teenager, were gone. Sarah remained free of her neck pain and headaches for nearly 5 years. Then she returned and asked for, and I quote, the exact same procedure to be repeated as her neck pain and headaches were just starting to return. I repeated the procedure 2 years ago, and she has again been pain-free since. Now, treating neck pain with PRP or a stem cell-rich biologic is not for everyone. If you think we might be able to help you or someone you love with neck pain, click the link below to schedule an appointment. Thanks for joining me today. We just want to help you live your best life ever.